What story trying to off tonight?
Why don't we just play some sack?
I don't know, bro. Sex kind of smelly.
Alright, now that we got our privacy, let's game plan.
According to my calculations, Gwogs' secret recipes and Mr. Neary box office.
Alright guys, since we know when this is going down, when are we doing this thing?
Dude, sorry as hell. Let's go to the cafe.
I'm feeling the Simon cheesesteak. What about you?
I mean, I was gonna go pizza, but I heard the Simon cheesesteak's pretty good.
We'll do 2 Simon cheesesteaks.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Alright boys, now that we're in privacy, what's the game plan?
Alright, first off, we gotta scope out the area.
Do we know anything about this place?
Dude, I know a guy.
I think I know what you're talking about.
See that?
Oh my god! Who is that?
Shh. Bro, where'd he go? He's just here.
You guys hear that?
Bro, what was that? There's a big guy we all know about.
What do you guys need?
We're trying to find Gwogs' recipe here. It's pretty famous.
Can you help us out?
Yes, I do. I do indeed. First, you boost a left, and you boost a right, and then boost another left, and then boost a right.
We're playing suits.
Yeah. Wait. No one has to know. What's up, boys?
Oh yeah. We got it.
Hey, who down 3?
1, 2, 3. Who that?
Alright guys, spread out, look around. We gotta find Gwogs' secret recipe.
Nah, I got nothing.
Nah, I got nothing over here.
Yo, boys. Yeah, I found something.
Gotta be Gwogs' recipe.
3, 2.
Yo, what the hell is that then? It's gotta be the secret recipe.
Alright, I didn't think anyone saw us.
Yo, what's his number right here? 4?
What's that one? It's this one.
Oh! Yo, what the hell?
What the hell?
Yo,
I was just in the lyric.
Yo, we just time travel.
Here we keep
I
dropping
swear,
this.
I Mr. Neary box office. I feel like I could have Chris this morning.
Hold on. This was like a time travel.
What the hell? I'm gonna kill you! I thought you were sweet as cream as icing!
That was close.